How to install Binance on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Play Store app and click on search and click on keypad and search Binance. After click on Binance, so if you want to install Binance, click on install. After click on install, you will see Binance is installed according to your internet connection. You will see app is installed 12%. After the process, after install app showing on your app screen, after the process go back to home screen. So that's how you can install Binance app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.